Chinese open source model just released a model that is challenging Google's Genie 3. You can see a side-by-side comparison on your screen and how closely they are challenging their quality. And in this video, I'll give you a very interesting comparison between Google's Genie 3 and this Lingbot, which is an open source model, by the way. And also in the later part of the video, I'll walk you through how you can download it locally on your machine. Now, let's simply go to the first Genie 3 examples, and you can see right now, this first example I want to talk about is very interesting. So this is a paper aeroplane, which is almost looking like a fight simulator gameplay. So yeah, you can actually control it left, right, and whatever. So yeah, this is creating the entire environment on the go with the help of AI. Like, look at this example. So the prompt is very interesting. So say, the prompt is like the vibrant Amazon rainforest on a beautiful and clear sunny day, and high among canopies, the light of sun tapping through the leaves. So this is like basically environment prompt, and the character prompt is like a beautiful Amazonian parrot, which is like blue colored and black beak and majestic. So basically this is, you need two prompts, for example environment prompt and character prompt for a character roleplay. And you can see there's so many examples. I cannot show you all of them. Like, for example, look at this one. Okay, so this is a high altitude open world snow terrain where this mountain full of snow. So this guy, this walking, climbing on it, and you can see how realistically the feet are actually going into the snow. And this is what I'm talking about. Google actually cooked here, and they cooked very well. You can see different examples here, but this is not the basically our motive. Okay, you can see this character of this Shiba, which is basically a dog. Is just going through all the environments of a farmer. It's jumping upon it and fences. So that's exactly Google's Genie 3 is actually giving a prompt, and you can create a 3D environment almost like a video game. And now the same competitor has released an open source model called LingBot. So this is the basic GitHub screen of this LingBot-World. So it's by Robian, which is a company which is generating these models. And one thing you can see is this model is really fresh and new, and barely people talking about it. You can see there's basically instruction, but instructions is not our main goal. I'll show you so many examples. So just let's go. Okay, so first example I really want to talk about is this. So this is almost looking like a video game where this actor is horse riding, and when you click the W, it just goes forward. When you click D, it almost goes right. It's almost like a video game with it. If you have played Dark Souls and Ghost of Tsushima, these are the games exactly looking like that. However, comparing them with the literal video games is a little bit hyping up, but almost creating a 3D environment, and you can create stimulation is really stimulation interesting thing. Okay, let's see so many different examples. I have collected personally so many video examples that you need to know that how this open source powerful model is. Okay, first and the most one is this. Okay, so this is like basically a Chinese temple environment where you can see exactly looking like first person shooter type stuff. If you play video games like first person video games, so you can see that AI is actually generating all these environments on the go. As you slide the screen, as you open up the camera, as you slide the 360-degree angle, it generates on the go. Now I have so many examples that this one is really gonna engage you. So this is a Chinese monk, I guess. It's heading towards a snowy wave of this snowy storm, and I can see that's forward, it's a temple. So this Chinese samurai is moving forward, and this is exactly the time I'm confusing with a video game, because you can see the snow and everything feels so real. Look at this example for reference. So this is a cat basically, and you can just just make it go front side, right side, left side, and explore the entire room. And the entire room is seriously very realistic. You can see there's a fire bone, there's like actual furniture, there's actual things that looks almost like a video game. Okay, I have to say that the open source Chinese model are cooking. So look at this one example. Okay, so this example is like Columbian University FIB, right? And not you download this, you can actually explore this entire place by just clicking WSD's button, which we usually use to play on the video games. For example, I want to go the upside, right side. You can see you just simply walk and explore all this thing. Let's see another examples, which is really my favorite one. So this example here is all about, like a Dark Souls video game where we're fighting with the final boss. The final boss is way bigger than our main character, and this is what I'm talking about. Like, this is almost like a video generating machine where we can play our own video games, making our own video games on the go. And you can see there are so many monsters coming along with proper fires, proper CGI, and this is why I'm saying this model is literally heavy on your machine. So if you have a local very less VRAM, not a high-end PC, you might struggle with this model, but this model still a glimpse of future, by the way, because that is the most important part of the video. Okay, let's see another example. So this is an Iron Man simulation video game. So it's almost like a Marvel video game where you can see all the skyscrapers, and our player is actually just moving forward with proper repulsion and just proper camera control. However, one thing I can say that between comparison with Genie and these model is that Genie actually has a better resolution and better video quality, but most of the time the movements and everything physics feels almost like similar. Okay, another video example which I'm a big fan of is this, a Viking kind of situation where the snows are falling and this guy with proper arrows, saber with proper fur coat is moving forward. This is the gate, this is the main gate. This is almost looking like I'm playing a video game, almost like Assassin's Creed and anything like that. So yeah, these examples can tell you a lot about these things. You can see this another example of this Ghibli art. So this is basically exploring some kind of Japanese anime house. This almost looking like a Doraemon situation if you have watched that anime. So this is what I'm talking about. This model is actually very multi-purpose. All right, look at this one. This is one of my favorite ones. So this is a duck simulator. So we just have to walk through this duck, just play WSD and move the duck forward, and you can see the water splashing is just so real that you can only imagine it's a real video footage. By the way, this is just an open source model called Lingbot, and it's generating all of these things. By the way, this can run on your local machine if you have a high-end PC, and how you can do that, later part of the video I'll explain you. Let's see more example for now. Okay, so this example is generally my favorite example because this shows you a very first-person look. Like, look at this. Okay, this is basically a after nuclear situation. You see most of the dystopian looking houses, stairs, and you can actually walk through it. You can just visit it. It's almost like a Call of Duty video game or maybe a CSGO video game. Okay, another example which people are generally missing out is like how clean the footages looks like. Look at this model. This is basically a grass ground where you can see the simple lakes. So these are basically lakes and proper grass, and you can just move around your 360-degree camera. You can just slide left, right. So yeah, this is exactly a Link model. If you compare it with Genie, of course the quality might be not as good as the Genie one, but most of the things are actually good. Like, for example, look at this video. Okay, so this is like we are just driving on Mars. You can see right now different planets all over the place. The car movement, the car physics is not as GTA level, but most importantly, this is good. Okay, now we came to the most important part of the video, that how you can actually download this, because this is the main part. So I would say just simply go to the GitHub project, and here you just don't need to do anything. Just open your command prompt and I'll give you command one by one. You just have to paste it, and that's good. So first command, you have to go git clone this repository. You can see this repository is same as lingbot.git, and you have to click on cd, so you will get into the directory. Now you have to ensure that you have torch, so you have to click on pip install requirements. Simple. Now the main important part is flash attention. You have to install pip flash attention. If you don't know what is pip exactly, you just have to go to Python, download it, add to your environment, and that's it. Now just install flash attention. What flash attention does is it makes your model running much faster than before. Now you just have to do the last thing, which is actually really heavy, and if you have a low VRAM, I would suggest you to wait for an quantized model. You can just pip install Hugging Face CLI with proper link like this. You can just copy it, everything is on the description. So yeah, so just have to do these command prompt and step by step, one by one, and that's it. Now your model is ready, and this is the last prompt you have to give. I'm not gonna read it all, so it's a pretty long prompt. This is like torch, run this is generate py file, and this is the task, this is the Lingbot-World, and this is the basic fantasy stuff, and this is the basic prompt. You can just put it blank, that's also work. And now you have a local running machine that can actually generate a 3D environment, and you can play as a stimulator, everything you want. That's totally up to you. But for now, I told you exactly how this LingBot is actually challenging Google's legacy, which of course, by the way, Google's Genie 3 is absolutely a miracle, by the way, in AI industry. But now an open source model has been released and it's challenging it. If you like this video, just simply click on like button, share it, and for more such cutting edge tutorial, latest technologies videos every day, just subscribe to the channel.